Greetings pansters, today we're going to start trying this game. It's in HollywoodBet. It's hot fruit. I'm gonna play it with £2.25 per bet. So I'm gonna make 100 spins. I'm gonna start right now. So let's hope to grab a grabber, guys. I want it to be slow, I don't want it to be fast. So let's see if we can grab something big here today. Yes, baby. Yes, baby, we made it. Sevens. Let's see how much we're going to get there. Oh, we got so many sevens there. Let's hope to get even the bonus. Buzz, okay, they couldn't connect much. So let's hope we're going to get so many bonuses, guys, here, or we might walk away with 1,000. It's hot inside here, guys. Okay, we are chasing away the bonus, guys, and a big win, and let's hope we can go home with a profit. Let's hope we're gonna go home with a profit today. Yo, so many sevens, guys, so many sevens, and the bus, they are blocking us. Oh, we have so many sevens in the board here today. Look at that. Yo, so many sevens, guys. There are so many sevens here in the board. So let's hope we're gonna grab a grabber. Let it connect, guys. It needs to connect and it give us bonuses. Yo, look at those sevens. I will do more 100 again. Let's see where they take us. Or just miss the future. Yes, babe. Oh, that was going to be massive if all those wild and sevens they were hot. If the wild and seven were hot. So we missed the future there. We are back to where we started. Let's hope to get a big win again. I should have run away with that 300, guys, but let's see. Sevens. There were too many sevens, guys. I hope to see those sevens now. Yes, baby, we will take that. Let it be hot. Let it be hot. Let it be hot, guys. That was not hot. It was useless. Useless future. It was a useless bonus, guys. It was useless. Okay. Let's get the big win, guys. We need the biggest win, even epic win. Can we get the epic win here? Yes, baby. Look at the sevens. Look at the sevens, guys. There are so many sevens here. Let it be hot. Useless. It was useless. Useless future. It was useless future. So we got in 2. Yo. Yes, baby. Hello guys, I ended in profit. I started with 100 rand. I'm going to end here, guys, and then at least we ended in profit. I should have stopped maybe when I got those sevens and it pays 300 rand. And then I hope you are going to have a very good morning, and then if you are going to work, please enjoy at work and work well, and then have a happy Friday. Have a good big Friday and enjoy your day. Thank you very much, Panthers. And if you are a new member in this channel, kindly subscribe and support the channel. Your subscription is highly appreciated.